We were trying to figure out what day of the week is November 16th, 2014. We got some leap years in between 2001 and 2014. We've also got 13 years there. Let's calculate the number of days in between those two dates. So we've got 10 years where there's 365 days. So that's going to be 3650. And we've got 3 years where it's leap years. We got 366. And that's 1098. So that's a total of 8, 14, 7, 4748. Now let's figure out how many weeks are in that, because that's the number of days. So if I divide that by 7, 4748, because there's 7 days in a week. So that's 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Draw my line, subtract. 5, bring down. 7 times 7 is 49. Subtract. 5, bring down an 8. 8 times 7 is 56 with a remainder of 2. So it's going to go through here 678 times with a remainder of 2. Friday plus 2 days is going to give you Sunday.